Hi guys, it's Vespa with Resin Bell, and today I'm going to share with you something that I picked up at the Hot Topic. And they had these Harry Potter snow globe blind bags, I guess you call them, but they're, they're mystery characters, so you don't know which one you're going to get. Okay, kittens in the background, so yeah. Anyway, so they had these little characters on clearance. They're normally like $16, $15.99, and they had them on clearance for $11.99, and then they had a sale, which was buy one, get one free clearance. So I picked up lots of these little Harry Potter snow globes and thought we'd open them together and see what we get. Now I'm hoping for, there's several characters. There is Dumbledore, Hagrid, Harry Potter, Hermione, Ronald Weasley, Professor Snape, Hedwig, and there is a mystery character which is Voldemort. So I am looking forward to opening these, and hopefully I get a Hedwig. That's really the only one I really want to see. So if I get multiples, I'm not going to be upset as long as I get one Hedwig. So let's see. We're going to open this first one up here, and I will kind of try to get this in. I think that's right. Okay, so the first one we get is Hermione. Look how cute she is. Oh, these are so pretty. Look how adorable little Hermione is on all of her glitter. She's so cute. Oh my gosh, I just love her. She's adorable. So we got a Hermione. Let's see what else we can get. And there are 8 characters, so, I'm not expecting to get the whole set, but we're hoping for something cool. So on this channel, I am going to be starting to do some unboxings. I've got some subscription boxes coming that I'm really excited for, and I'm still going to be doing resin, and I've got some really cool ideas for resin coming up, so stay tuned and stay with me. And looks like this one we got a Snape. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Look how cute he is. Oh, I'm so happy I got a Snape. Okay, Hedwig and Snape. Gotta have a Snape. So he's so cute. He's just so pouty. Alright, so we've got Hermione and Snape. Let's see what this one is. So yeah, lots of cool things coming this year. What is it? And the kittens were playing with my cord and my sound cut out. But I got a Hedwig, you guys. I'm so excited. She's so freaking cute. Ah, I love her. Look how cute she is. I am so happy I got a Hedwig. Whoops. That just came off the base. But, yeah, looks like that one was not sealed very well. So, you get what you get. So the rest of them I'm just okay with. So, whatever we get, we get. And if I get multiples, then I'll be, saving those to give away for, guess what? I got another Hedwig. So that's pretty cool. Those are going to be Christmas presents for my kiddos. I've got lots of Potterheads in our family, so those will definitely go to a good cause and be loved by somebody else. I've got kittens. I have 4 baby kittens. Come here, guys. Come here. These are my kittens, and they're so cute. This is Gandalf with his long gray mane, and they're all white, and they all have a different marking of gray on their heads. They're adorable, but right now they're in that fighting with your siblings stage, and they're just all over the place. So, oh, we got another Snape. That's pretty cool. I've got a Slytherin in the house, in the family, I should say. She's not in the house anymore. She's grown up. But so that one will be going to her. She's going to love that. Let's see what we got here. We got a Dumbledore. All right, so for my set, I've got a Hermione, a Snape, a Hedwig, and now I have a Dumbledore. So that's pretty cool. Dumbledore's pretty awesome. Rocking his blue hat there. He's pretty cool. So I've got 2 more to open. Let's see what we get. See what we get. We get what we get, and we don't throw a fit. All right, what is this one? Oh, looks like we got Harry. Here's Harry. Harry Potter. Hello, Mr. Potter. He's so cute. I love little chibi Harry Potters. They're so adorable. So that's pretty cool. All right, last one. Let's see what we get. Cross our fingers for something we haven't gotten yet. Which one will it be? Oh, we got another Dumbledore. Got another Dumbledore, so I'm going to put that one back. So the only ones we did not get was Hagrid and the mystery figure, which was Voldemort, which I'm okay with because I really don't care too much for the chibi Voldemort character. He looks kind of weird. So I've got 3 I can give away for presents, for Christmas and stuff. And then, so now I have Harry and Hermione. It would have been nice to get Ron, so I'd have the 3, but here's Harry and Hermione. They're not doing that sale anymore, so I kind of missed out on that. But here is Snape and Hedwig. Hedwig's so cute. Oh, so adorable. And then, of course, Dumbledore. So that's what I got from my set. And then I got an extra Dumbledore, Snape, and Hedwig. So those will be fun gifts for somebody else. So, okay. Well, that was a fun experience. And I was really happy to find those on the Hot Topic sale, clearance sale. So, yeah, their buy one, get one free clearance is a pretty good deal. So, pretty excited. I got most of the set. I got the ones that I really wanted. So, yay! All right, so you know what? Stay with me, guys. If you like Harry Potter, if you like resin crafts, if you like resin molds, stay with me. I've got some really great things coming up for this channel, and I've got some machinery on the way. I have a Glowforge coming, and so I'll be doing some Glowforge information and tutorials. So lots of fun stuff coming to this channel. It's not just a resin channel, but it will be primarily based on resin crafts, etc. But there's going to be some fun unboxings here and there. So I like to keep it mixed up a little bit and, you know, have some little fresh content every so often. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye!